I think the projections of the demographic changes can be surprisingly accurate. And therefore, this will cause all sorts of different challenges according to the demographic trends of the country facing. Even among the developing countries, for instance, where the population is expected to grow, that is India, Sub-Saharan Africa, and North Africa, and Middle East. You know, all set of challenges are different, cannot be the same. And how to address these issues within certain limits of the resources can be different. In terms of MDGs, it is crucially important to set goals and targets in order to allocate the world resources for that purposes. Highlighting the new agenda, like the energy, water, food, is significant in this regard. We are trying to push another agenda, for instance, universal health coverage, or the prevention of disasters, or the urbanization issues. But these challenges to set up the new idea is really worth trying. But the MDGs are global, universal targets. Therefore, we have a problem that whether the kind of approaches is really meaningful in addressing the various issues of the country or even at regions. I think it is the points Mr. Anand has stressed in his opening speech. There is no doubt that the population growth on the whole will add the pressures on energy and water and natural resources. But we would like to highlight more on the growth, because there is actually the prospect of growth, particularly in Asia, and secondly for Africa. By accelerating the growth, certainly another set of problems will arise. For instance, environmental issues or the pressures on the energy and so forth. But without the prospect of growth, resources, it is in fact, it is very difficult for resources to be obtained. And within the certain prospect of the growth, the capacities to address the certain issues would be multiplied compared with there's no resources. We have to think about that. And in this regard, India can be a model case, showcase for the development for the other countries as well. Because certainly India is a democratic country, and there is a keen awareness of the inclusiveness and environmentally sustainable growth. And here, India actually is leading, and we are cooperating in this regard. With regard to the energies, there are certain avenues to address these issues. Renewable energy is one avenue, but what we are trying to focus is energy efficiency, because we know as a country that has overcome and the issues, the challenges, and Japan is the most energy efficient country, and we would like to transfer these technologies. And we also know that energy efficiency, this approach is most cost effective. And this will not deny that another approaches should be added also. And also the alliance and partnerships is important. But in summing up, we would like to stress that we have we believe that India can become can grow to one of the largest economy in the world, addressing the challenges that has been discussed. That means that the approach should be optimistic approach. Pessimistic approach or doomed approach will not work. So this is something we would like to stress at this moment. Thank you.